Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up or how to configure the AWS auto scaling and how it works. So firstly, go to your AWS account. In the AWS account, before going to your auto scaling concept, firstly we have to launch the template. So go to search bar. Here type launch. Here you can see launch templates. So open with the new tab. So, launch template, it's like a blueprint that defines how to create a new instances, and it specifies the details about the uh, details about the resources your auto scaling group needs, and it contains the details of instance type, AMI to use, key pair for the secure access, and security groups, storage, and other configurations. So here click create launch template. So here give the name auto scaling template, and you can give a description and scroll down. Here you can select OS which one you want. So I'm going to select Ubuntu, and in the instant type you can select free tier, that is T3 medium, sorry, T3 micro. Here scroll down. Here create a new key pair, give a name for the key pair. So after scroll down, here click create security group. So give a name for the security group, auto scaling security group. You can give a description like allow SSH access to developer. Like that, you can give a description. Allow all traffic. So select the VPC, the default VPC, or you can select the existing VPC. And here you need to add a security group rules. So click on that. So here select the all traffic, and here in the custom select the CADR block. So scroll down. you can launch the template or create a launch template. So here you can see successfully created auto scaling template. After that, go to visit to dashboard. Here in the dashboard, scroll down. Here you can see auto scaling groups. Go to that. So auto scaling group. So it's necessary because it manages the life cycle of your instance automatically based on the demand. So before going to auto scaling concept, you have to create a auto scaling group first. So click create auto scaling row. Here give a name auto scaling group. Scroll down. Here select the launch template which you have created previous, that is auto scaling temp. So click next. So here you can see this is the features you have selected. You can see the distant type and the AMI, that is Ubuntu AMI, and here you can see the key pair name auto scaling and also the security group ID. So after that click next. So here this is the VPC which you have selected in the instance launch template. So in the availability zone, select the zone and click next. Here no need to select anything. We don't want any load balancer. So here scroll down. Here health check grace period. You can specify 30. So this is a key setting that specifies the amount of time to wait after the instance is launched before it is considered for the health checks. And click next. So here you need to specify the desired capacity. So you can give 2. So it defines the target number of the instance you want to running in your auto scaling groups at any given time. So I'm specifying desired capacity as 2 and scroll down. Here in the scaling, you need to specify the minimum and maximum desired capacity. So these two settings are define the boundaries for the how many instance can be launched or terminated within the group. So here I'm giving minimum desired capacity as 2. So two instances are enough to handle low traffic without downtime. So I'm specifying two instances. So in the maximum desired capacity, I'm specifying 5. So it is avoiding overspending during the unexpected demand. So scroll down. Here select target tracking scaling policy. This is chosen to simplify and optimize the scaling process. So scroll down here in the matrix type, select the average CPU utilization. In the target value, specify 50. So this is the you are specifying the number of the traffic you want to come in. So here I'm specifying only 50. After that, instance warm up. So I'm specifying 30. So it is depend on the auto scaling group. How much time your application typically needs to initialize and start handling request once the EC2 instances is launched. So if your application or services uh, takes approximately 30 seconds to fully start and become functional. Setting the warm-up period to 30 seconds ensure that scaling decision accounts for this delay. For that, I am giving the instance warm-up as a 30 second. So scroll down here. No need to select anything. Click next. After that, you can add a notification so for the instances that terminated or instance launch, so every time when the instances get terminated or a new instance get launched, you will get a notification. So you can skip for this or you can add the notification part. So this is my auto scaling group. uh, I think this is my existing auto scaling, so you can create a new one. Create a topic, auto scaling, AWS auto scaling. Here you can give the email id. So for that email id you will get a notification for instance termination or new instance launch, like that. So enter the email id. Here you can see event types: launch, instance, terminated, failed to launch, failed to terminated. You will get all these notification. Click next. So click next. Scroll down. uh, this is the review before launching the auto scaling row. So these are the things which you have configured now. So click create auto scaling group. So wait until it is updating capacity. Here you can see desired capacity is 2, minimum capacity 2, and maximum capacity is 5. You can check your email ID. You will get a notification from the AWS for the subscription. So give confirm subscription. So after that, go to your EC2 dashboard. So go to instance, here you can see the two instances are running uh, because you have mentioned minimum two minimum desired capacity is two. That's why the two instances are running. So you can give a name, scaling one, scaling two. So these are the two instances are running because you have mentioned the two desired minimum capacity. So for that, try to terminate the one instances because you will get a clear picture how the AWS autoscaling is working. So after terminating, wait till the 30 second because you have mentioned warm up time as a 30 second. So after 30 second, you will get a clear picture. So try to refresh. Here you can see the another instances has running successfully. So because you have terminated the scaling 2 instance, so within the 30 second, the another instances has been running. So this is how the auto scaling part will work. So try to connect the instance, connect. So before that, go to your Gmail. You can get you will get a notification from the AWS for terminating the instance. Here you can see the termination notification. So like that, every time when the instances launch or terminated or fail, you will get a notification from the AWS. Here you can see this is the launch notification. Then go to your EC2 instance. In the EC2 instance, give the command sudo apt update. So to update the packages or libraries, and after that give the command sudo apt get install stress y. So after that give the command stress c for. So this command is used to stress test the CPU by creating four CPU workers or process. So it will put the four of your CPU cores under heavy loads and testing their performance and stability. So hit enter. Now go to your dashboard. Try to refresh the page. So it will take some time. Here you can see another two instances are created because you have put four CPU stress on the two CPUs. So, the AWS auto scaling help to ensure your application always has a right number of server to handle the number of traffic it's getting, and it will automatically adjust as needed. So it saves you from the manually adding, removing servers, and help you to keep your application running smoothly. So go to auto scaling group. So enter this auto scaling group. Go to activity. Here you can see the activity. So every time when a new instance launches or terminated, you will get a notification, or even you can see the activity here. So this is how you can use the auto scaling, and how you can configure the auto scaling, AWS auto scaling. So thank you guys for watching this video.